Hey, I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day. Today I'm going to be running you through this new AI tool I came across called HeyGen. HeyGen essentially allows you to create an AI avatar of yourself, and the reason I'm doing this is so that I can create content at scale for not only myself but my clients. And at that point, it is no longer about being in front of the camera, but just about scripts that you feed it. So if you have really great scripts and you have a good avatar, then you are able to complete videos at scale with just a simple text prompt and a script. So it's pretty incredible. I've done a lot of research, and from what I've gathered, HeyGen is the leader right now in this. So today we're going to work on cloning me, cloning my voice, and we'll see how the output turns out. So first we have this demo.
Hey there, welcome to HeyGen, where you can easily create fun, high-quality videos using our AI avatars and voices. In just a few clicks, you can generate custom videos for social media, presentations, education, and more.
So pretty wild stuff if you ask me, that is entirely AI. The thing that's really cool about HeyGen is they have an API integration. So today I'll be setting up my AI avatar, and then in a future video, I will work on setting up the API so that you can post to all your socials, be in front of a camera, and all you'll need is a simple text and a script. So to me, that just blows my mind. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So I was looking at the HeyGen pricing. I do need to get the monthly creator package, which is 29 US a month. So it is a little bit expensive. It costs 15 credits, and one credit is a 1 minute video. So you could make a bunch of videos depending on the length of them, or you could just make 15-minute one video. So you can remove watermark with this as well. And I want to make my own avatar of myself. So that's why it's super important that I got the creator plan. It integrates with Typeform and Zapier. I know here it shows API, but I did find their documentation on getting an API key, and I do believe it will be possible to integrate with Make, which is the automation software that I prefer. So I went ahead, I already signed up, and now we're at the part where it's getting started. So we're gonna click get started. So we're gonna go through the instructions together.
So we only need 2 minutes of talking videos of you. You can talk about anything in any different languages. There are 6 things you need to pay attention. 1, you could either use a mobile camera or a professional camera as long as you're filming it at 1080p plus. 2, about the background. You should make sure you have a good lighting and make sure you have a nice looking background. The background of your avatar will look exactly the same as your footage. 3, position. You could either be standing or sitting, but try to make sure you don't move your position during the recording. 4 is simple. Try to make sure you look straight to the camera and do not look anywhere else during the recording. 5, pauses. Try to make sure you have 1 second pause between each sentences and try to keep your mouth closed between each pauses. 6, gesture. Do not use any directional or pointing gesture. Try to do a generic gesture just like me and keep your gesture below the chest level. Next, I will include my 30-second recording clip just for your reference. You can look at how I was doing my recording footage.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about making the avatar filming behind the scenes. As you can see that I'm standing in front of the camera. It's a sunny afternoon, 4 p.m. in Los Angeles. I'm just facing in the camera.
Last, there's one tip I personally find it very useful. You can imagine you are actually giving a product update videos to your audience, and you are delivering that message to the camera. If you don't get it right the first time, no worry at all. With Instant Avatar, you can redo it as many times as you want, and it's totally free. Let's give it a try, and cool. Let's bring the magic to you.
All right. Well, perfect. I am going to get the detailed instructions here. Oh, I'm going to download it as a PDF just so I got it. Okay, cool. So they got a couple shooting tips. Let's move on to the next section. Now it's about uploading footage. So a 2-minute video, and then they also have this script that they recommend saying. So I'll just follow the script as is, and we'll see where it's at the end of this. Pretty cool. One thing that is important to note is my background right now is my kitchen. So I could use like a white wall or something, get some better lighting. I don't know, I'm gonna go figure something out right now. All right guys, so I just finished shooting the video. I'm gonna play it for you first, then I'll run you through the actual upload, and then I have some samples to show you. So this is the unedited raw version that you're seeing right now. Hey, my name's Kevin, and today I'm going to be talking to you about AI. AI is greatly changing the way businesses interact with one another in ways that no one could ever foresee. So you can see that there's a ton of wind in this video. So that was one thing that I was worried about, is due to all the wind, we might not get a good quality video. And so after it's done, this is the output that it provided me with.
Hey, Kevin Hogan, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So it's pretty good. It definitely got rid of a lot of the wind and background noise that we were hearing. So that's my avatar. I also...
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Right, so I also have this AI voice. And then I realized over here you can integrate a third-party voice. So with 11 Labs, we can clone our voice and get a much better quality voice output. And all you need to do is paste your API key here. So I'm going to do that in a future video, but for today, I'm just going to run with what we have. So after I had that, I went over to the AI studio, and then this was the script that I came up with. So to generate the script, all I did is I came over to Perplexity. For those of you who don't know what Perplexity is, it's a AI tool that allows you to search the web, and it'll go and, let's say, search the latest trends in AI. It'll search that. It'll go through all the videos, all the articles, and try and generate a summary of everything that it can find. So instead of you having to do the research, it does the research for you and then presents you with the answers. So this is the script it came up with. Here's some of the latest trends in AI for 2024, right? And then I took that, I opened up a notepad and I just changed it around a little bit. So I hope you're having an incredible day. I'm Kevin Hogan. Today we're diving into the hottest trends of 2024. Once I had that, I exported the video. So here you can see the video exported.
Hey, I hope you're having an incredible day. I'm Kevin Hogan, and today we're diving into the hottest AI trends of 2024. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, we have generative AI. Think ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion.
So I took that, and then I still wanted to spice it up a little bit more. So I brought it into Opus Clip. So Opus Clip is essentially taking long form content and turning it into short form content. So you would take, let's say, I don't know, a podcast where people are talking for hours about whatever, and it'll snip the best portions that they think will have the highest percentage of going viral, right? So the hook, the flow, the engagement, and the trend. And if you're on a pro plan, which is like $9 US a month, what I did is you go on to edit clip and you let the video load in, and what you can do is hit generate AI B-roll. And so what's going to happen is it's going to fill portions of your video with B-roll for your footage, and also overlay it with captions.
Generative AI is going mainstream, enhancing our digital interactions with creativity and...
Right. And yeah, what's cool is I can come over here, I can select the word, and then you can just click generate AI B-roll, and it's going to create AI B-roll specifically for that word. And this takes no time at all. It literally just runs in the background, edits the video for you, captures the best portion, and then you can overlay it with some B-roll footage, and then you have something that is pretty damn engaging considering the time effort required to output this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and save changes. I have a video done. This can be spliced into more, right? So pretty wild stuff. Now the cool part is that HeyGen has an API key. Perplexity has an API key too. So what you can do is have it search, pull back the latest information in the topics that you want to talk about. You create the script. HeyGen generates the videos. And then with Opus Clip, you run it through it. And now you have content that's highly engaging that you can post to all your socials in a fraction of the time that it would take you to shoot this video yourself. Because now I have this asset of myself, but you don't need to retake this video. And then you just have this unlimited version that you can just feed with different scripts. And let's say you have 2 or 3 different scenes of yourself. So let's say this is one of me outside. I could have another one of, I don't know, me sitting on my balcony with my laptop or at a desk working, talking about AI. And you have 2 or 3 different videos like that. And then all of a sudden you just have unlimited content. You choose the avatar that you want. You have a solid quality voice that you record with 11 Labs. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty incredible. Super powerful in my opinion. And yeah, so if you did get some use out of this video, I would highly recommend that you drop a subscribe as I continue building my AI agency and automating my entire business using AI. So if you want to see how you can do this for yourself, you want to tag along for the journey, then drop a subscription and I will catch you on the next one. I hope you have an incredible day. Peace.